nigo umunyakiro gwe kyombe kilikimanyikite muna Commission for Administrative Justice egote Ombudsman Chairman Charles Dulo anyakabaga gutarira county ya Nyamira asanyakabaga komera no mugavana gwe county yu musike Amos Kimumyaribo unejera myo kwenda kuligereria na kunengia tinjera obokoreri bwe serikali nebirengo obogante kwa ime county ya Nyamira boigo nigo Charles Dulo anakibunani ko barachikuligereria kubwa mono gwetera so gutarira tinyagitari obokoreri bwekyombe gia shago Social Health Authority.
We are here to help the county to develop grievance redress mechanism policies as well as access to information act for the county. As you are aware, the Commission of Administrative Justice has twofold mandate. One is to check on maladministration in the public, both national and county government, and the other one is to enforce access to information. The purpose of our visit here is basically to help the county develop access to information, and this because they are implementing programs under FLOCA, which is community driven. These are projects which are resilient to mitigate the effects of climate change, and for that reason the community participation is critical, and therefore access to information is also very